Hi guys, Diane Hoggarth here, millionaire mom. If you're in a desert and you find the genie's lamp, what would you wish for? Would you wish for a dream holiday? Would you like to play golf? Would you like to buy a big house? A yacht in Florida? A big giant sports car? Scuba diving? Let me just show you how I can help you make that change. Okay, there is a product here called Magnetic, and it helps you get sales in 3 easy steps on Facebook. Okay, so it's a unique method and it generates so much free traffic so you can build your list. Okay, you get fast action taker bonuses, but I've actually, if you listen to the end, I've got more bonuses for you, but there are some instructions to actually get them. So keep your ears peeled, guys. So would you like results like these? I have real people who've tested this product out. No fake reviews on this website. These are real people. Now, it's really easy to get too many leads and get overwhelmed. You could get too many leads and get overwhelmed too. Each lead is a potential buyer. So if you get leads on autopilot in 3 easy steps, why don't you do it? Because basically it's all confusing. You don't know where to start. There's too much information. You get confused. I mean, I used to buy traffic, silo ads, Facebook ads, lost loads of money, suffered from shiny ball syndrome, a bit like you. But what if you could pull people towards you? This is what this is. You're like a magnet, hence magnetic. I found this secret hack, and it was a little known bit of content that no one knew about. So I posted, waited. Then I got some leads. The first time it was 26 comments. But now I can get up to about 300. Some people, you know, it can snowball. You can get leads. You can get sales. This can be limitless. So if you want results like these, all you have to do is activate, follow, and profit. Now, the bonuses inside the product, don't forget to wait to the end for extra bonuses. You can have this, which is your own money-making machine, which is worth 97. Social media marketing boost, how to get the boost your business needs and make money with affiliate marketing. So all that is worth over $300. So what are you waiting for? This is today only. It's like $10, but that's not all. In fact, this is what it's all about. You get a simple 3-step system. You will need to get sales, boost sales with over-the-shoulder videos, which is branding yourself, how to do your cover photo, actually go into Canva and do it yourself over the shoulder. Lots more lovely value. 100 of the best engagement posts compiled over time, 10 done for you teaser posts. The bonus is over $1,500, and there is a live training at the end. But watch this space, guys. To get these extra bonuses, once you get it, you have to send me your email. You have to reply to with the receipt, and you will get these too. Effective content marketing guide, because content marketing actually attracts people to you. Okay, you become the magnet. But also, once you've got that stuff, you can have a look at chatbots. So that's really easy, guys. Actually, Rapid Profit Machine is going to throw this in as well, because that's worth $1,000. from the top Builderall affiliates. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and don't forget the last step is once you get this for $10 whole, you will get sales in 3 easy steps. Can't get easier than that, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.